What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Make sure my mic is working. Today I'm going to be doing a quick workout. It's going to be under 10 minutes, what's on the title of the video. If it's more than 10 minutes guys, don't even bother watch it, click off it straight away. So the workout is going to be strict push. At some point I will be tired, so I will be doing push press. And then I'm going to be doing dumbbell, down and up, and hand press release. So it's going to be 20, 15 and 9. Yeah, quick session guys, under 10 minutes, so let's get it. Push press release. Fuck me. First set. Whew. fucking straight in my crotches there, mate. Get my breath back. Good session there, guys. As I said, 20 strict press. However, you will be fatigued at some point, so you will be doing a push without a doubt. As I see, I didn't load the weight on the bar. I just kept the bar as how it is. So that's 20 kg. Then got the dumbbell right here, 17.5. Didn't want to go 20, burn myself out too much. So 20 on each arms, then 15 on both, and then you do push press release. Same again from 20, 15, 9. Good exercise, guys. As I say, you can do it at home, you can do it by yourself. You don't need, you know what I mean, your mates around you or anything like that. Just need to just get up, get out and push yourself. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, guys. Something quick and short, simple. I'm hoping that it's on 10 minutes as well. I wasn't timing myself. However, I will be putting the flash on the screen, the time flash on the screen, so you can see I ain't cheating. I know the majority of you will be counting my reps, without a doubt, but that's not the point I'm trying to make. The point is just to get up and do something. It doesn't matter what. More and more you do it, get perfect. Well, nothing is perfect, but the more and more you do it, get used to it, you get better at it, and you push yourself, and hopefully you can motivate someone. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you guys like this video. Share it and subscribe. And also, and the video what I released last week, British Army YouTubers. I know I've missed a few people off, and quite a few people was upset about it. But guys, as I said, go in the description and you find the rest of the guys who I haven't talked about. And yeah, stay tuned. Enjoy the weekend. Boy Fabziy. Peace.